Took this trade in E period. You can see I'm waiting for it to pop back up there, to fill those singles. This trade sped up about 3 times the normal speed. Put in the first contract, basically filling the singles. I thought I would try putting in the second contract in manually if we can, because I thought there was a chance we'd push up to around that POC or the top of the green area there. But I wanted to have one contract in just in case it filled the singles and took off on me. Right there, it puts in my first contract. I thought it was going to pop up, but it does grind around here. Kind of looking for an area that I'd want to, basically at the top of that green area and that POC like I was talking. I brought that first order down. I'm looking at that value area low from yesterday. Right there, I put in the second contract, put a stop over D high. The first goal is to obviously to get some extension on that E period, break that D low. That's a high from a while back. I'm not too worried about it, but it seems to be, reacting in that area. We just kind of swept it. But you can see the low of the D period from yesterday. So that's more what I'm looking at and why I have that area highlighted. Just happens to be another high from, like I said, on the way down, actually. Here I'm looking for the 27 ticks. I put these in just by habit. I've been doing it for so long. Even if, like this trade, I'm not looking for the 27. But I would use it if we got down around that 40 ticks. I would use it as, where to put my stop, if we got down past that, because I don't normally give back 27 and I definitely don't give back the 40 ticks once I get past it. Now that I have that 40 ticks mapped out, as it starts moving down, I'll move that first target at the 40 ticks. This wouldn't make sense to not take one at the 40. It's also, the low of that D period. So if we just broke it and snapped back, I'd really hate to give 40 ticks back. Kind of grinds around here for a bit, and then once it gets moving, it moves pretty good. Like I said, the first thing I want to see is extension on the E period. Make sure we can get through that red line, that highlighted area. If we didn't get through there, if it stopped right at that line or couldn't get through that area, then I would close the trade just because I would figure that it's going to, kind of turn around and maybe start heading towards POC. But as we get down here, it keeps moving pretty good. There we're down to the 27. There, I move that first one up to the 40 ticks. Bring those back down to break even. There's no way I'm going to let it go back that far on me. Now I'm watching that halfback line, which is the white line right in the middle of the screen there. I kind of make a mistake when we get down here it went through that halfback so easy. I kind of thought it was going to make it to my order. So I should have been moving that stop down. I brought it down to the 40 ticks, but as this was moving down like that, I should have, kept moving that stop down. It looked so, like it was going. Even here, I started bringing it down. I had realized I was a little too late, and right there, it takes me out for the 40 ticks. I brought that down just because there was no way I was going to give that back, but I kind of made a mistake there.